This week has been different. We broke some things. We fixed some more things, but not completely. We have hope for the future. And apparently, so does he. We didn't quite get to our goal of having the reactor have another run. It was too hot anyway. But we did do something wonderful. We had a miracle happen. My computer's very old. We've been working it really hard to make these videos. It died. The graphic card died. Ivan went online and he showed me, he says, I don't know if it's every graphics card, but just for your information, one graph pH card at 395 degrees for 8 minutes. This video you're watching right now is because this actually worked. I'm going to be a computer technician now. Working on computers is a lot like welding. You just have to know a couple of little tricks. And once you know them, it's really not a big deal. It's pretty hot. Interesting. Wow, it is a little out of my wheelhouse. So what's the worst that could happen? You could say that. There we go. Graphics card is ready. You know, if I smelled that inside my computer, I would be worried. Boy, look at all those circuits. I wonder what they mean. And I'll be darned if it didn't up and work. This is a miracle. Well, thank you, Lord. This is possibly going to be called Lazarus now. You know, I've been thinking, weeds are like sins in your life. I suppose it could be so. I'm not a preacher. I'm not a, what do you call the plant people? Herbivores? No, those people eat them. No, those are vegetarians. Botanists. Maybe that's the word. So I'm not a preacher. I'm not a botanist either. Weeds are more like indicators. I believe in that. Weed indicates your soil might be high in potassium. But bindweed indicates your soil is too compact. Chickweed might indicate your garden is high in nitrogen. But, you know, a lot of weeds just indicate that your soil needs weeded. Ivan? I don't even think he was here. Oh well. Apparently they locked their keys inside the car. It's better than being in a ditch. I hope. Oh yeah, look, keys right there. Let's see if we can set the alarm off or something. Well, I think this one will be pretty easy. Just got to get some space here. But you know, it's almost scary how easy that was. Cool. Why didn't it go off earlier when we were breaking in, you know? Well, I guess that's it. Aww, it had the baby. Isn't it cute? forget the boss. You wanna go for a ride, Ivan? Don't worry. I am certified driver, operator, extraordinaire. Daddy! It's not as smooth as it once was. But do you want an oven? Oh, no, give me $5, give me $5. $2 going once, going twice. Done! Sold to the scrap man.